The new 2026 update just dropped, and right now there are multiple working Blox Fruits codes giving free XP boost, stat resets, and huge leveling advantages. Some of these are brand new, some are rarely used, and a couple of them are insanely valuable if you're trying to level fast. Do not skip this video because a few of these codes can expire without warning, and the strongest ones are coming up very soon. If this helps you out, drop a like. Now let's jump right into the game. First, I'm going to show you the fastest way to redeem codes because most players actually mess this part up. Once you load into the Blox Fruits, look at left side of your screen. Here you'll see this little settings icon. Just click on this and then click on redeem DLC code. Once you click on redeem, here it will open this reward codes pop up. Here, this is where you have to enter all the codes I am going to tell you. No long menus, no settings, just paste the code, hit redeem, and your reward activates immediately. Alright, let's not waste time. Here is the first working code of 2026. And yes, this one is strong. Spell it exactly KITT underscore reset. Redeem it, and boom, free stat reset. As you can see, it says success. Now, if you don't know why this is huge, let me explain quickly. Every time a new update drops, fruits get balanced, swords change, builds shift. Most players stay stuck with bad stats, switch to sword main, go full fruit damage, try a PvP build, whatever you want, and it costs you nothing. But don't relax yet because the next code is insanely helpful if you're grinding. Type sub2 gamer robot underscore exp1. Type it exactly like that, no spaces, redeem it, and then you get 2x XP. Now listen, do not waste this boost. Here's a pro move most players ignore. Only activate this when you're ready to grind quest non-stop. Don't pop it and then go AFK. Stack missions, server hop if bosses are gone, stay efficient because double XP in Blox Fruits is basically a speed hack for leveling. And honestly, the next code stacks perfectly with this one. Most players miss this combo. Again type sub2 gamer robot underscore reset 1. Yes, another reset. Go ahead and redeem it. Use one for experimenting, save one for future updates, and trust me, late game players wish they had extra resets. Now quick tip before the next code. If you're under level 700, focus on leveling fast. Do not waste time chasing rare fruits early. Level unlocks everything, and speaking of speed, wait until you see this next code. Almost nobody talks about it anymore, but it still works. Type star code HEO. Go ahead and redeem it. That's another 2x XP boost, and yes, these boost stacks across sessions if you time them correctly. Here's the strategy high level players use. Activate one boost, grind hard, when it ends, pop another. You basically stay in permanent double XP mode. Huge advantage. But yes, now we're getting into a code that veterans instantly redeem the moment it appears. Because whenever it disappears, it usually never comes back. Type FUDD10. Go ahead, redeem it. It looks small, but redeem it. Free belly, and before you think there's nothing. Hear this. Early game players are always broke. Buying abilities, boards, weapons, it drains fast. Free money keeps your progression smooth. No grinding pirates for coins. And the next code is funny, but don't ignore it. Because free rewards are free rewards. Now just type FUDD10 underscore V2. Yes, it's real. Redeem it, more belly. Just see, I just earned $2. Now think of these like progression boosters. Small individually but together. They remove friction from your leveling path, and speaking of friction, let me save you from a mistake tons of players make. If a code says invalid, check capitalization. Roblox codes are picky, one wrong letter and it fails. Now this next code is very popular. You've probably heard of it, but many players forget it still works. Go ahead, type big news. Redeem it, and this gives you an in-game title. Now title might sound cosmetic, but in Blox Fruits there's status. When players see it, they know you stay updated, and updated players progress faster. But don't get comfortable because we're about to step into one of the best boosts for grinders. Seriously, if you're trying to hit second C or third C faster, you want this active. Go ahead, type the Great Ace. Redeem it, another 2x XP boost. And here's a high IQ tip. Grind bosses during double XP. Boss quest gives massive returns, way more efficient than basic NPC farming. Server hop, defeat, repeat, watch your levels fly, and then boom, you're way above. Now the next code is sneaky. Players overlook it because it's been around, but it still delivers insane value if you're new. Type sub to Uncle Kizaru. Just type this, go ahead, redeem it, and yes, stat reset again. Resets are that valuable. Imagine switching builds instantly before a PvP fight. Huge edge, and speaking of PvP, do not fight high bounty players while leveling. You lose focus, you lose time, progress first, dominate later. Now we are entering the mid video power zone. And this next code, players rush to redeem it every update cycle. Trust me, you will love this. Just type sub2 noob master 123. Once you type it in, redeem it, and then another double XP. Notice the pattern? The game rewards consistent players. The more boost you stack across days, the faster you separate from the average player. But wait, the next code is one I personally recommend saving. Yes, saving. Let me show you why. Just type AXIORE. Go ahead, redeem it for double XP. But here's the smart play. Save at least one boost for when you unlock a new sea. Why? New areas equals to faster quest. Higher XP, better scaling. Using boost there multiplies your progress. Most players waste boosts too early. Don't be that player. There's another code which is still active, still powerful, and still giving grinders a huge edge. Type Tantai Gaming. Redeem it 2 XP again. At this point, if you redeem all of these, you're sitting on hours of boosted leveling. That's massive. And listen, if your goal is max level, speed matters more than luck. Fruits come later. Levels unlock everything. Now quick pattern interrupt. Listen closely. Always join servers with active players when grinding bosses. Dead servers slow you down. Competition actually helps bosses respawn faster through cycle. Efficiency is everything. Alright? Now the next code is clean, simple, and extremely effective. Go ahead, type straw hat main. Redeem it now. Stat reset. Perfect for testing fruits builds after the update, because let's be real, every update shifts the meta and flexible players dominate. Rigid players struggle. Now don't blink, because we're about to hit one of the strongest codes in this entire list. If you've made it this far, good decision, because most viewers never realize the best rewards are placed later. This is a huge power code. Just type sub to Captain Maui. Redeem it, and trust me, you will love this as it has double XP activated. This is the kind of code you pair with long grind sessions. Turn on music, lock in, quest chain, boss repeat, level explosion, and here's a trick advanced players use. Combine XP boost with 2 to 3 hours of focused grinding instead of random play all day. Short intensity beats long distraction. Now we're not done, not even close, because the final codes coming up are must redeems. Type NU underscore is underscore pro. Yes, that's the code. Redeem it to XP again. By now you should realize something. Players who use codes level days ahead of those who don't. Same playtime, different progress. Codes are literally free advantage, and advantage wins in Blox Fruits. But alright, let's talk about a mistake killing players' progress right now. Stop switching fruits every time you find one. Master one, damage scales with skill usage. Constant swapping resets your efficiency. Now, ready for another power boost? Because this one is huge if you're behind on levels. Type Magic Bus. Redeem double XP, simple, effective, powerful. And honestly, if you stuck even half the codes from this video, you could jump dozens of levels faster than normal. Now, we're at the final stretch, and yes, I saved a strong one for last, because players who stay until the end should always win. Final power code, JCWK. Short, easy, and redeem it now. 2 XP, no complicated spelling, just instant progression. Activate it when you're ready to grind hard and watch your level bar move non-stop. Now before you leave, quick rapid fire pro tips. Always redeem codes immediately they expire without warning. Follow update drops closely. New codes usually appear with patches. Grind smart but not long. Save at least one stat reset for future balance changes. Do that and you stay ahead of most players automatically. If you don't want to miss future codes, check out my latest videos. I keep them updated so you never lose free rewards. Now go redeem everything and enjoy the free progress. And that's it. Let's wrap it up for today's video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below, and thanks for watching.